You're not starting from zero. You already have a CRM full of contacts. The question is whether moving them means a weekend of copy-paste or 10 minutes in Vyroq. It's 10 minutes. That's all. Open the contacts page and click Import. Drop in your CSV export from any CRM, any spreadsheet, any tool. Vyroq reads the headers and auto-matches the obvious fields instantly. Then fine-tune maps CSV columns to lead fields, name, email, phone, company, title, even social handles like LinkedIn or Instagram. Check the preview table before committing, so a messy export never becomes a messy database. Already connected WhatsApp, LinkedIn, or Instagram. Click Import from connected accounts. Instead, search or browse your existing contacts on that channel, select the ones you want, and import them directly. No CSV required at all. Click Start Import and watch created, updated, and skipped counts climb live. Once it lands, head straight to Suggested Merges. Vyroq scans nightly for duplicates from overlapping imports and flags them by confidence, so your list stays clean automatically. From there, every contact is enrichment ready. One-click queues bulk enrichment to fill in missing emails, phones, and firmographics across your entire import. That's your whole list, migrated, deduplicated, and enrichment ready, without the spreadsheet headache. Start yours free at vyroq.com. No credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.